An earthquake of magnitude 7.4 was recorded today in Taiwan. The US Geophysical Institute (USGS) reports it. The earthquake was located 18 kilometers southeast of Hualien City, about 155 kilometers south of the capital, Taipei, at a depth of 34.8 kilometers. A violent tremor, the strongest in the last 25 years, an earthquake swarm followed. Another earthquake with a magnitude of 6.5 hit the east coast of Taiwan. Well, this is all. Excuse me for my terrible English, but I'm an Italian boy. Today is 3rd April 2024. Thank you everyone, and there are 4 dead in this violent earthquake. Bye bye.